Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your age in Tinder app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Tinder app, and once you open it, you will end up in this kind of page where you can scroll right and left to the person you like. So now simply press on the profile icon, press on the pencil like icon. Here in this edit profile section, you can scroll down but cannot find any option to change your age. So to change your age, all you need to do is simply create a new account with a new age you want to set it as. So if you do this and create a new account deleting this account, you can simply change your name in your Tinder account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.